I'm taking it back to my Louisiana roots with this Creole Succotash. This recipe is locked and loaded with flavor. A few ingredients you're gonna need. We have our corn, okra, lima beans, fire roasted tomato, a few seasonings, Creole seasoning, paprika, salt, pepper, sage, garlic powder, little red cayenne, and some dried rosemary. We have our butter and our minced garlic. Now the only thing we have to do for this recipe is remove the corn from the cob because everything is already pre-prepped. Here's an easy tip to remove your corn from the cob. Placing it over a Bundt pan to make sure we can catch all of the corn that we're cutting off. Make sure the butter isn't browning too fast. Let's go ahead and add our garlic. Get that going just for a second. Okra, because it demands the most cook time. We want to get that in there first. We don't want slimy okra, so we're going to cook it at a high heat for at least 10 minutes before we begin to add the other ingredients. Now we're going to add our corn, our seasoning combination, and our fire roasted tomatoes. We're gonna give our ingredients a nice little stir, and then we're gonna top this thing off, slightly lower our heat, and we're gonna let it cook for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Looks like our cook time is up. Let's take a look and see how we're doing. Yeah, that's nice. Nice and steamed. Everything seems to be cooked down. Definitely don't want any hard vegetables. I think we're ready to eat. Now this is a perfect side dish, but if you want to turn it into a main, all you need to do is add some sausage. Let's dive in. This is ridiculous. Takes me back home. Until next time.